Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning. Today we'll be talking about the general training safe workshop and the safety features of the workshop in the FK Mechanical section. Let's go in.
Hello! Now that you've entered the workshop, it's time to talk about some general safety and attire. Firstly, any kind of jewelry or watches should be removed prior to entering the lab. Hair that is long and may get caught on machines must be tied back or kept away neatly. Shirts must be tucked in, and proper shoes must be worn into the lab. And you are not allowed to wear any kind of slippers or sandals into the lab.
Here, we have an example of a safety sign. Following the OSHA and ANSI standards, it has a signal word, safety message, and a safety symbol. Before we enter the workshop, we must always wear the safety shoes at all times. In any workspace, you can find first aid kits. In this workshop, you can find two first aid kits, one at the front entrance and the other one at the back entrance. These first aid kits are placed in areas that are well lit and close to the entrances. Here, we have a fire extinguisher. This workshop has three of them. One here, another one at the welding station, and the last one at the back entrance. These fire extinguishers are placed at strategic points where fires are most likely to occur.
We all know PPE is the last line of defense from injury and it can save your life. PPE refers to the goggles, protective clothing, helmets, and other equipment that protect the wearer from injuries. The hazards addressed by the PPE are biohazards, physical, chemicals, and airborne matters.
Moving on to the tools, let's talk about some general safety procedures that you have to follow while you're in the lab. For example, there cannot be more than 5 students in one group working on an experiment or a machine. Furthermore, you cannot do an experiment without any prior authorization, supervision, or instruction. Any kind of experiment done without any of those things will be strictly not allowed in the lab because it can jeopardize your safety and the safety of others.
To conclude, the general training workshop is sufficiently equipped with all the safety equipment and has been set up according to the safety standards, though there are some missteps in the organization of the workshop itself, with tools laying around unattended and some sections of the workshop were not properly labeled. We would suggest renewing the existing labels around the workshop to ease navigation and so that restricted areas are easier to identify. Other than that, there aren't that many things that would make the lab to be considered unsafe.